Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete bank statements in Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll remove a bank statement from a Xero bank account using the standard menus in the web app. Deleting a statement is permanent and can impact reconciliations, so move carefully and make sure you're working in the correct organization and bank account. You'll need the appropriate permissions to manage bank statements. Start on the Xero homepage for your organization. From here, look to the main navigation bar and open the accounting menu. In that drop-down, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to a list of all the bank and credit card accounts you've set up in Xero. Find the specific bank account that contains the statement you want to remove. On the right side of that account's row, click the three dots, the More Options menu. From the options that appear, select Bank Statements. This opens the bank statements page for that account, where you'll see a list of imported or uploaded statements, typically grouped by date. In the demo environment, you may see an example called Sample Statement, but in your own organization, you'll see the actual statement names and dates you've brought in. Locate the statement you intend to delete and tick the checkbox beside it to select it. Selecting the checkbox ensures you're targeting the exact statement you want to remove and not the entire account history. Double-check the date range and any description to confirm you have the right one. With the statement selected, click Delete. Xero will prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you understand this action is irreversible. Review the message carefully. If the statement includes lines that have been reconciled or matched. Xero may display a warning about the effects of deleting it. When you're confident you've selected the correct item, confirm by clicking Delete again. After the confirmation, the selected statement is removed. If you're cleaning up duplicates from a previous import, this should immediately tidy the list. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to view the updated statement list. A few closing tips as you finish up. Always verify the account name and statement dates before confirming deletion. And be aware that once a statement is deleted, you can't restore it. If something was removed in error, you would need to bring that file or data back into Xero again. If you don't see the delete option, you may need higher permissions from your organization's administrator. That's it. Your bank statement has been deleted in Xero.